I don't know who it is, but to the founder of speed bumps, I just want to say something very sincerely and from the bottom of my heart, man. And I just saw a Porsche with a plastic dipped hood, so there's that. Great start to the vlog. Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Just met those guys at AutoZone. Shout out to you if you're watching. I'll put their Instagram over here in case anyone's wondering. Didn't do an intro for this video, so hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We're doing another cheap mod today. I feel like I should start a series on cheap mods. It's not really a cheap mod what we're doing today, but it's gonna transform your car like crazy and it's gonna look dope. And what we're doing today is polishing the exhaust. This is Eagle One Original Never Dull Whiting Polish. Cleans and polishes all metals. I think I've used this before with Ali. It works perfect. So I'm gonna polish the exhaust, make it look really nice. Since I did just do the bumper tuck, my exhaust is way more exposed than it used to be. Polishing this up really nice is gonna make it stand out. I'll put a before picture right now, and then we can see it after as well. It's gonna look magic. So we're not really doing anything too complicated. This is metal polish. It's like, it looks like a little bit of cotton. We're just really gonna wipe down everywhere as much as we can with this polish, and it should make it shiny and just really nice. So I pretty much cleaned all I could. See how it's so dirty? This is even worse. So I pretty much cleaned all the places that I can reach. If you need to use more, you can. If this is like too dirty, don't wipe the dirt again on top of a cleaner exhaust. And now what you need to do is just wipe it down with a microfiber towel or something soft, and then it should look bueno. I don't know if you want to call this a mod, but this whole can of metal polish costs like $8 or something at AutoZone. So, and it makes your car look better. So I guess it's a mod. A good clean and detail of your car is always a good mod. You don't always have to be putting parts on to do mods. Make your car look better.
I know it's harder to find. You probably see me, I've been losing my mind, but it's alright, yeah. And tell me why you fighting, baby girl. I know exactly how you want this. And tell me why you fighting, baby girl. I know exactly how you.
Alright, did I ever say that it was so hot and I need to get fans in here or an AC? Like, damn, I'm water. I'm like dripping. I'm dripping water. It's sweat. I'm dripping. Look at this. It's disgusting. Anyways, I'm done cleaning it up. We should be looking good now. There isn't much daylight, so I can't show you outside, but I'll try to do my best with the flashlight. If not, I guess tomorrow morning I'll put in a clip. Damn, you can see pretty well. I didn't think it would show it too much, but as you see, exhaust looks clean. Way better than before. Alright, so there you have it. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, especially with the bumper cut. Now you can see much more of my exhaust, and now it's clean, so it looks even much better. So that'll be it for today's video. That was just a small little, a little touch up that you can do to your car. I do have to wash the rest of this car because now my exhaust is super clean and my car is a piece of shit. And look at this. So that looks pretty bad. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know if you want to see like cheap, easy mods that you can do to make your car stand out and look so much better. But that'll be it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. And don't forget to like this video and watch my other videos. They're gonna pop up on the screen in about like 10 seconds. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.